So you're going to make a simple and cheap bioethanol fueled outdoor fire using a clear pot, some little rubber feet, little stainless steel mug, and some yellow sand and a bit of gravel. Get the little sticky feet, stick a few of them around the pot. This is so I can put it on the table without scratching. And help the drainage, so that's okay for that. Next step, put a little stone and cover the hole so it still allows the water through, but all the sand doesn't come out. Next step, get some yellow sand in. The yellow sand will absorb heat. I want to squish it down. I want it higher. I want it about flush. I do want it partially buried. Like I say, yellow sand will absorb some of the heat from the cup when the fuel's burning, and should help prevent the pot from breaking. So got that full of yellow sand. I'll push that in. And it's about flush with the top. I'm happy with that. Go to centre. Flatten the yellow sand off. And enough to fit some gravel in. I've got white spar gravel. It really wasn't expensive. So, bioethanol fuel. This is about £4 a litre, £4 a litre. Just going to put a capful in. It's on fire. Not picking up very well on the camera, but quite a bit of heat off it. So that is a budget friendly. So what about cost? Cost me £2.50 for that mug. The gravel was £7, about 20 kilos. The yellow sand was leftovers, it's about £3-4 a bag. Pot from diyideas, so all in all, really not a lot of money.